Gumpy Monkey had been trying very hard not to get angry. He counted to 3. He breathed in and out.
You're doing great!
One morning, the ground rumbled. Bananas fell from trees. Bamboo shook. In the distance, Mount Rumbletop began to smoke. The animals panicked. Chubby looked at Gumpy. The volcano looked exactly how Gumpy felt inside sometimes.
The volcano is not bad. It is full of feelings with nowhere to go. If the pressure builds too much,
Inside the volcano, lava glowed like bright orange light.
You're too loud!
you ruin everything.
I don't want to explode!
One steam vent was stuck. It needed 2 levers pulled at the same time, but hot lava cracks separated them.
Gumpy, you're not the volcano. You have big feelings, but you choose what they do.
The rumbling paused. Gumpy closed his eyes. He breathed in. I feel angry when I think I'm not good enough.
Pull together. 1, 2, 3.
Steam burst upward, not lava. White clouds puffed into the sky like cotton candy. Mount Rumbletop became Mount Glowtop. Warm, safe, and steady.
Big feelings are powerful, but power is safest when shared.